Geez, you look a mile away on this camera. Oh, what? I haven't actually caught a carboy yet. Come on, mate. Bloody carboys. Bloody carboy. Oh, you... Damn it! Damn! Just lost this donker carboy. Did it snap the hook or something? No, it just come off. Damn! Oh, I got something on here. Oh, is it a carboy? Feels bloody heavy. I think I'm exaggerating, but doesn't feel like a carboy. Oh, shit. Don't know. Probably just a carboy. Oh. Ah, damn it! Ah! What happened? Ah, it snapped me, whatever it was. Could have been a shark, man. Damn it. We're carboy on here. Acting like he's a bigger fish than what he is. Come up here, carboy. You're a prize winning carboy, that's a question. I only want you if you're a prize winning carboy. You feel like a prize winning carboy. So you're actually a rat king. No, you're just a carboy. Just hooked in the side by the looks of it. You're hooked in the side. Might be good for bait tomorrow though if I get a bit low. Come here. That's why you fought so hard. Because you're just hooked in the gill. Oh snap. Small snapper. Got me a small penny. Probably let it go though, because I've got 4 or 5 already. Little penny. Ooh. Oh shit, I forgot all about that. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Don't know what it is. Something though. Ah, I'll be a shark. I think I got a shark on. Hey? Pretty sure I do. Not a massive one, but I just forgot about my stray line. Ooh, hope that's not it coming up. Ah, come off, I think. Or it could be a big snap, one or the other. See, it feels like a dead weight. A lot of line out. Whew. I'm going for shark. Oh, no, it could be a big snap. Not sure yet. Oh, I reckon it's a big snap. I don't know how big though. You know, I think he's just side hooked. Don't think he's that big. Decent though, decent. My biggest for the trip. Might be a good one for average weight. Maybe not. Yeah, you could be a good average weighter. Not a bad snap. Beautiful snap. Gotta love that. Yo! I had to keep him because he completely swallowed my bait. Yeah, because these just don't do the surroundings justice, eh?